story about a genie in a bottle, a very special genie in a bottle. This one we call the Quatro Genie, made of 4 groups of stainless steel tubes. It seems to work particularly well with very low amounts of caustic soda, 1 flat teaspoon to 2 litres of water, produces heaps of gas, close to a litre a minute at that rate. When it's in the vehicle it produces more, possibly because the higher amperage, or the higher voltage I should say, works the torch quite well. There's half a dozen of these in vehicles around Australia working quite nicely. We found there's a direct correlation between surface area of these tubes, the length and amount of tubes, to production. This particular set is about 200 square inches. We've made them now up to 400 square inches, and they go off like bombs. As you can see by the amp meter, very low amperage, average between 10 and 15 amps. With a higher concentration of caustic you can make them rip a lot more out, but your amperage goes up. But if you want to keep it to the equivalent to what one headlight is drawing, I like 1 flat teaspoon to 2 litres of water. As you can see, heaps of gas at that rate, and no problems with overheating or electrical strain. They're made with PVC end caps and glass centres. This is actually working a 93 Ford. Fresh brew starts out at about 12 amps. After it's been running in the car for about a month, you'll see it come up in a moment. It's the water's starting to get slightly dirty. It's going a little bit orange, but the amps it's drawing has dropped back down to 10 or just under 10, and the amount of bubbles it's making is incredible. It's produced, it's increased production dramatically. I suppose that's down to plate conditioning. You can see the top of that is sucked in a little bit from the vacuum that it's drawing. No way of measuring its production at this stage. Can't simulate it with the vacuum on it on our test equipment. All we know is it's a ripper. Self-evident that it's producing miles of gas. Quatro Genie we call it. This is our test equipment. We have a modulated pulse supply. The cellar's in the tube. We're timing it with a digital timer here, and we're measuring our gas with a very accurate water for gas replacement system on the side. When we say we're doing X, we're doing X. No guesswork, it's exact. We do all our measurements over 1 litre with time, so you can rely on what we say, not just guesstimates. So, the Quatro Genie. Enjoy.